Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Acorns for saving and investing, complete guide step by step clearly. To install the Acorns app for saving and investing, start by ensuring your smartphone is connected to the internet. Open the App Store if you are using an Apple device. Search for Acorns in the App Store search bar. Once you locate the Acorns app, tap on the Get button to download it. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store search bar, type Acorns and press Enter. Find the Acorns app in the search results and tap on Install. After the app is downloaded, open it by tapping on the app icon. You will see a welcome screen introducing Acorns. Tap on Get Started to begin the registration process. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Review the terms and conditions, then tap to agree. Next, you will be prompted to provide some personal information. Fill in your name, address, and phone number as required. Acorns will ask questions about your financial goals. Answer these questions honestly to tailor your experience. You will also need to provide some information about your income. After completing this section, Acorns will guide you through setting up your investment account. You may need to verify your identity with a government-issued ID. Once your identity is verified, choose your preferred investment plan. The app will display various portfolios based on your risk tolerance. Select the portfolio that best aligns with your saving and investing goals. Next, link your bank account to facilitate deposits. Follow the prompts to input your banking information securely. Acorns will verify your bank account through small test deposits. Once linked, set up the roundup feature if desired. This feature automatically invests spare change from your daily purchases. Review all your selections and confirm the setup of your account. Finally, take a moment to explore the app's features and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.